Okay, now some people like to use the mobile CapCut app, try saying that a few times, because they like the fact that you can do it on the go, it's fairly easy to use, and also you can do it on your phone, which is a lot less hassle than doing it on a PC. But some people like to do theirs on a PC. But what if you are recording your part of your video on your mobile device like this, but you're also recording other stuff on your PC and you want to put them together? You can of course share them to the usual file sharing sites that are out there, but CapCut actually allows you to share your videos between your mobile app and your PC app, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Mobile app. Now, if you're looking at the main page, you see a little thing here called space. If you tap on that, you get free space with your CapCut version on your mobile. So you get up to 1 gigabyte. I've used a little bit on here. So what you need to do now is you need to add files to this cloud storage. So you just click the plus, and you can either have a draft of a video that you've already made, or you can just upload media as it is. Then you just upload what it is you want to add. I'm just adding this
Okay,
little
now
me,
some people
and then
like
you
to
just
use.
click on upload, and what it will do is it will upload it to the cloud storage that you have with CapCut. Simple as that. Then all you have to do is go to the PC version. So let's go over there. Okay, so here we are in the PC version, and there are different functionalities on here. So this is why you may want to come over here, and also for some people they prefer to use the bigger screen and the mouse and stuff like that. So all you do is you come over to here, and then down the left hand side here you'll see spaces, and you click on your space. You can create a different one if you want to, but all you have to do is click on your space, and here you will have everything that you saved in your CapCut cloud storage, and this is the video that I uploaded just now. So then what you can do is you can take that video and you can upload it into CapCut's video editor on the PC, and then what you can do is you can save it back in here and send it back to the cloud, so that you can then use it again on your mobile device if you choose to do so. That is very simple, very straightforward. As I said before, you get a gigabyte as free storage. You can upgrade that to bigger space if you want to, but I think that's a great way of sharing stuff between CapCut versions and also CapCut devices without having to use other file sharing sites. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.